Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, children. So let's continue with our class. So in the previous class, we have learned the first method of acquiring citizenship, that is by birth. So the second one is by inheritance. So inheritance का मतलब क्या है? Inheritance का मतलब है विरासत, जो भी चीज हमें विरासत में मिलती है. Okay, the meaning of inheritance is virasat. Okay, so in this method an individual gets the citizenship on the basis of the nationality of his or her parents. जो भी inheritance है हमें किस इस पे दर्जे पे मिलता है कि उनके पेरेंट्स की नेशनैलिटी क्या है. They'll get the citizenship. Okay, for example, those who are born after January 26 in 1950, जो भी इंसान 26 जनवरी को पैदा हुआ 1950 में, वो टू इंडियन families staying outside our country can get the citizenship of India. Okay, so next come by registration. Registration का मतलब क्या है? रजिस्ट्रेशन का मतलब है पंजीकरण. पंजीकरण हिंदी में इसे पंजीकरण कहा जाता है. इसका मतलब है रजिस्टर होना. ओके, सो बाय citizenship of any country can be taken by way of submission of a prescribed application form to the concerned office. Like they will supply a form, they'll give you application or a form that you have to submit. Okay, that the people of that country, the citizen people has to submit that application which is prescribed by the concerned office. Okay, even nation impose certain conditions for the submission of application by individual. जब ये कुछ application जो submit होता है उसके ऊपर भी कुछ conditions रखे जाते हैं कि ये मेथड से इसको सबमिट करना है, उसके लिए ये चीज जरूरी है, उसके लिए ये डॉक्यूमेंट्स होना है एंड ऑल दैट. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल दोज हु आर रिसाइडिंग इन इंडिया फॉर अ मिनिमम 5 years, जो भी फैमिली इंडिया में रह रही है 5 years तक, दे कैन गेट द रजिस्ट्रेशन बाय अ वे ऑफ रजिस्ट्रेशन. दे कैन गेट द सिटीजनशिप बाय द वे ऑफ रजिस्ट्रेशन. उनको सिटीजनशिप मिलती है क्योंकि वो इंडिया में 5 साल से रह रहे हैं, so they can get the citizenship by a way of registration. Okay, so next come incorporation. Incorporation का मतलब क्या है? निगम. उसको हिंदी में incorporation को हिंदी में कहते हैं निगम. By the incorporation of one country geographically with another, the citizens of the incorporated country can be acquired. Okay, निगम, they can go for the incorporation office and they can apply for the citizenship, which is the incorporated country can be acquired with the generally country get incorporated by the way of voluntary with another. So in the registration you'll find many person having the forms and all, but in the incorporation you'll get the what you can say voluntary people who can give you the information of all and that. Okay, so even such occasions, citizenship of the country to which incorporated is given. Okay, so next, so we have learned how to acquire the citizenship. Okay, now calm down. Let's see the methods of losing the citizenship. हमने अभी पढ़ा था कि हम सिटीजनशिप कैसे पा सकते हैं, राइट? तो अब हम क्या पढ़ने जा रहे हैं कि हम सिटीजनशिप कैसे लूज कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, so citizenship of a nation is lost by the following methods. So यहाँ पे कुछ methods दिए गए हैं. Okay, by renunciation. Okay, renunciation का मतलब है त्याग करना, कौन सी भी चीज छोड़ देना, sacrifice, त्याग. Okay, any Indian citizenship in the event of getting citizenship of another country can voluntarily renounce the citizenship of India by declaration through an application form to the registration office. Right? So any Indian citizenship, कोई भी इंडिया का citizen, okay, in the event of getting citizenship, अगर वो किसी और कंट्री से citizenship ले रहा है, Okay, then can voluntarily renounce the citizenship of India by the declaration through an application.